It is finally Christmas. I feel like I have been anticipating and so excited for Christmas, and it's finally here. I got to spend time with my loved ones and I'm super happy and appreciative, and honestly I had such a great day, great night, and I hope you guys also did too. So Merry Christmas to you and all of your loved ones, and to those of you that don't celebrate Christmas, happy holidays. I hope you guys are also having an amazing week, an amazing day. I hope everybody is honestly doing well. I know times are crazy, especially here in Ontario. We literally just hit 10,000 cases daily for this pandemic that we're in, so times are really crazy, but I'm very appreciative that I got to have a small little Christmas gathering with my family. And then after I film this, I'm actually going to my boyfriend's house to spend some time with his family as well. Little disclaimer, Christmas is absolutely not about the gifts, and I'm not doing this to brag or anything like that. I just do a haul for you guys, and this is a pretty big haul that I have, and I honestly love doing these and watching what I got for Christmases on YouTube. And lastly, I will also be announcing the giveaway winners from Vlogmas. Thank you to everybody that watched all my Vlogmas videos and that kept coming back every other day. I have a list of all the winners. I wrote them down. They were all randomly generated, so I'm very excited. I did also add a couple extra little giveaways here and there, but without further ado, let's get right into it. I don't even know where to start because your girl got so much chocolate, and I love chocolate, so I'm not even complaining, but we got so much chocolate. Also, as always, I'm not going to say who gave me what or whatever. I'm just going to show you because I don't want to say who gave me what. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, item number one is this chocolate basket that it's all lint chocolate. It is so good, and as you can see, it's already been opened because I've already gotten into a couple of the things in here, especially my mom as well, like the mocha chocolate boxes. Like, I've already started eating it. As soon as I unboxed it, we open gifts at midnight. Let me know if you guys do that. Actually, I've taken a poll on my Instagram, and it's pretty 50-50 right now, where people don't wait up till midnight, but it's always been a tradition for us to wait until midnight to open gifts and then go to bed. But I also know people go to bed and then wake up super early on the 25th to open up gifts. But I don't know, I found that really interesting. I don't know if it's just like a Hispanic thing, so let me know in the comments if you are Hispanic, Latino, Latina, whatever, and open it at midnight, or if you're not and if you wait until the 25th, because I'm actually curious. But chocolate, this is everything that came in. I'm gonna do a speed run. So this lovely box was inside. Also, this box, which this one was really good. I opened it right away and started just picking random ones. This was also inside. 2 chocolate bars, which I've never tried either of these. Chocolate mocha. This is like a Mexican hot chocolate, so it is more on the bitter side, but it's actually pretty good. We had it this morning. This like roll of chocolates. These are so good. I love these. They're just delicious. And then it also came with a bunch of these at the bottom. I'm not going to take them all out individually, but they were just like at the bottom of the basket. And then it just had this little basket, but this is all the purple stuff that I was talking about. So my boyfriend and I have this tradition where we give each other a stocking. When I started dating him, I found out that he had never gotten a stocking growing up. So ever since then, we give each other a stocking every single year. And this year we are traveling in like a week. So we decided no gifts, that we'd rather just kind of like buy something there for each other or spend more money on like food and exploring and doing like activities together. But we still did agree on a stocking, which this doesn't have batteries. I should put batteries, and it sings. I think I probably have shown you guys in like other videos because I have had this for like 3-4 years, but Snoopy's ears like go up and down, and it has like the cute little Snoopy song. I love that. And inside he gave me so much more chocolate. Like, there's this. Like, honestly, like this whole thing filled. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna have so much chocolate. Like, ooh, we got some Buenos. We got Kit Kats. Delish. Yum. These, I wonder if they're like candy cane. I don't really know, but yeah, we got so much. Honestly, we're gonna have to speed through this. And that's not even all. It didn't all fit in there, so there's gonna be more in here. I just put it in here for now. But he also included these chocolate oranges. So good. I started eating this one already, as you can see too. Honestly, as soon as I unwrap chocolate, I just kind of start eating it. It's so good. And then I got a stocking from my parents, obviously. More chocolate. They also got me socks. So I got some socks from Lulu. I got this. So this is the chocolate that I was just eating right now, but this is like a limited edition one that has like popping rocks. I took a bite of it already, as I mentioned. I always just open chocolate, especially because I haven't had this one. And it's really interesting. Like, you just hear the popping. Watch. I'm going to show you guys. You can see kind of like crystals on it. I hope the mic could pick that up. Little ASMR moment for you guys. And then this is the original one. I love these. So I have a total of 4 of these, which I could eat one a day. Like, not even gonna lie, I could probably eat one a day. And then my mom got me makeup, so she got me mascara, and then I also needed foundation, which I don't even know how she A, knew that I needed this, B, knew that this was the brand I used, and 3, knew that this was my shade. Like, I literally did not tell her at all, so yeah, this is it. Thank you, and my dad. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Next up, this, so cute. Oh my gosh, it smells phenomenal, and when I first opened it, I thought it was cookies, and so did my dad. They're not cookies. They are like little bath soaps, but oh my goodness. When I tell you, these smell so good. Oh, I'm like obsessed, and they are so cute. There's little teddy bears and like different shapes, like a macaron. Like, are you kidding? Look at that. Like, come on, if you saw this, you wouldn't tell me you would try to eat it. Like, they're so cute. And there's like snowflakes, another cute little teddy bear. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful. Like, it's just beautiful. I seriously can't get over the detail that got put into this. Like, it looks like actual cookies. But yeah, it smells so good. So good. Next up, I got a luggage, which this is obviously for the trip that, again, we're going on in a week. I've heard of this brand before. I've never bought anything from them, but when I was looking for like one of those carry-ons with the wheels, I actually stumbled upon this brand. So it's pretty funny that I got this for Christmas. It is from the brand Base. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it's so nice and perfect. So apparently you can fit 3 pairs of shoes in the bottom here, and then this compartment is massive. So nice and massive and spacious, and I love the color. It's gonna match my other suitcase that I have, my carry-on suitcase that I have. So hopefully this is small enough to be a carry-on, like, personal item. But it comes like this. You can either hold it like this, which I think is going to be a little bit heavy, so I am always just going to attach it onto my rolling luggage. But it also has this strap that you can put to make it kind of like over the shoulder and a lot longer. So that's another super good option. But yeah, this is literally, I don't know if you guys can tell how big that is. It's massive. So hopefully I'm allowed to bring that. Okay, now moving on to this bag that is filled with stuff. We got a Lululemon half zip scuba in navy. I'm obsessed with this. And weird story, I also got a red Merlot one, so like a burgundy one. I don't know where it is. I unwrapped it yesterday and I have no idea where it is. I think it might have got put with the stuff that my brother got, so I don't think he's gone through his pile right now and he's out, so I can't find it. But I also got the red Merlot one, so I got a navy one and then a burgundy one, which I'm so excited. I love these. And yeah, I don't know for the life of me where the burgundy one is. My mom and I were looking for it. My dad even looked for it. Like, we couldn't find it. Hopefully my brother has it with all of his Christmas stuff that he got. It might have just got, like, you know, mixed in it, and we all put our stuff in like a bag like this so we know whose was what. But I'm so excited. The red one's gonna be so cute too, because it's probably somewhere else, like lower in this bag, but there's something else in this bag to go along with it, and it's also gonna match with this. Next up, we got some slippers. We got UGG slippers, which these ones are so comfy. I love these. I also have the other ones, which you guys should know, that have like the white ones, and then they have a strap that say UGG, and I've shown you guys them in another haul. But now I have these ones, which I also did want these ones because I've seen everybody have them, and they're just so basic and cute, and I just love them. I think they're a great staple. They do keep your feet so warm. I had socks with them yesterday. As soon as I opened them, I put them on and my feet were getting so warm, so I took off the socks and I just absolutely love it. They are just so cute, very comfortable, and also very, very lightweight. This was not a Christmas gift, but I guess you kind of could say it is. I got these chocolate bomb kits where my boyfriend's work actually sent them, and he obviously got them for me, so we got a white chocolate one, and then we also have a milk chocolate one, but that one's downstairs because I'm going to make it after. But I thought I would include it because they're just super cute, and they're just like little kits, so we're going to spend some time making that. It has instructions on how to do it and everything, so probably will vlog it for you guys. This was also from my boyfriend's stocking. So I told you guys not everything fit in the stocking that he bought. We had like a specific budget for our stocking just so we don't go like overboard. But yeah. We got a cute little holiday set from Sephora with their masks. Vanity Planet UFO. The best thing ever. I stopped doing face masks in general. I don't know why. I really want to start doing it again, so I'm gonna get good use out of this. Probably saw this in a haul because yes, I did purchase it, but it was for somebody else to give to me, but I really, really wanted this and I didn't have enough time to be like, here's the link, this is my size. It was like, you gotta buy it, you gotta buy it. It's in stock, just buy it right now, pay me back later, wrap it up. I'll open it for Christmas. This is the reversible fleece hooded jacket from Lululemon. It's in this really pretty like olive color. I'm just obsessed with it. I'm so excited. And finally I can start wearing it, which I'm very, very excited that I can finally start wearing it. I've been just like waiting. This was the first gift I opened because I wanted it. And yeah, you've already seen this. If you haven't, I will have the link where I talk about this jacket, but it is amazing and I have not seen them restock since I purchased that one, so crazy. They're so hard to get. Couple more things. We got some cute hat and mittens, which I love. I love the color of this. I love when you get like out there kind of colors, but not too out there. So it's a cute little purple, and then I got these mittens that have this, which this is super good for me because I'm always on my phone. These are super cute, and then they have a button and you can just go like this. Ta-da! Oh, okay, so this is supposed to go with the sweater. Obviously this is for the burgundy one. Like, it's a perfect match. This is the exact burgundy that I got in the scuba, but like I said, no idea where it is right now, but it's gonna be such a cute set, so I can wear the scuba hoodie, socks, and then leggings, and these are long socks, which is great. This is gray, which will be really cute with the navy half zip that I got as well, so I'm very excited for this. This is what they look like. They are from Roots, so this is the burgundy one, obviously, and the gray. Super cute, long, perfect. And then I also got cute little Roots ones, which I love. These are like the classic ones, and I love that they're not too long, so I do have different lengths. So I have long ones, I have these ones that are kind of medium, and then I have the ankle one. And last but not least, we got a cute little mini backpack. This is from Steve Madden, and it's really cute. I like it. It's just a plain black leather bag, and then also has some straps, obviously, to wear as a backpack, or you can also wear it as a crossbody bag. I've seen that there's many different ways to wear this. So yeah, also got that. That is everything that I got for Christmas, aside from like checks and gift cards and stuff like that, which I did get Lululemon gift cards, which I'm so excited for. Lululemon is my addiction right now, so I will show you guys more Lulu hauls once I spend the gift cards, which Boxing Day is approaching. I do have a Boxing Day haul coming, so be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And now for giveaway winners, which congrats to everybody. I really wish I could give you guys all a prize, and honestly it's just so nerve-wracking for me. I love hosting giveaways, but when it comes time to picking the winner, it just like stresses me out. I use a random generator, but still, like, I just wish like I could give you guys all a gift, and it honestly kind of just gives me anxiety. I wish I was a millionaire and I could give you guys all like a gift, a prize, something, because you all deserve it, and I am so appreciative of each and every single one of you. Giveaway number one is the Lululemon belt bags of your choice. You could pick any color that you wanted. I ended up picking 3 winners. Those winners are, I'll have them over on the screen. It is KCP, Vanessa F, and Liz Singh, which congrats to all 3 of you guys. Comment down below what your favorite color is, which one you guys would like, and if you have me on Instagram, can you please DM me on Instagram? It'll make it a little bit easier. If If not, comment down below that you don't have Instagram and I'll send you my email. That way you guys can just email me because I will need your address to ship this all out to you guys. But congrats, any color you want, so go ahead, check the website. I think they added a couple new colors since that giveaway was posted, so if you want to change your answer, all good. Pick one color and then just comment it down below. Number 2 was the $50 Lululemon gift card, and that is actually going to Anissa Perez. So congrats, girlie, you won a $50 gift card. Comment down below your email so that way I can email you, or again DM me on Instagram and just DM me your email, whichever one works fine. Number 3 was Bath and Body Works. So there was a $50 gift card up for grabs, but then I went ahead and added 2 $25 gift cards, so there is 3 winners for that. $50 gift card goes to Kate O over here. Congrats to winning $50. And then the 2 $25 gift cards, one is going to Tia Maro and the other one is going to Kadiatu Ba. Sorry if I butcher any of your names. Comment down below your emails, that way I can send you guys the gift cards. And can you also let me know where you're from, that way I know which currency to send it in. And last but not least, we have the Smart Sweets giveaway. So the 2 winners for that are I wanted my boyfriend to be here because he loves saying this username. He's not with me right now, but it is going to N3738MTZ. So congrats to you. You have won a Smart Sweets package, which they're so good. And the second Smart Sweets package is going to Erica Garcia. So congrats to you. Congrats to all the winners. And again, thank you to everybody that entered. I still have another giveaway that I didn't have enough time to put into Vlogmas, but it's these little like boxes that I made with a bunch of good goodies inside of it. So not to worry if you didn't win this giveaway, there's still 2 more giveaways coming, and then many more giveaways to come, because I do truly love giving back to you guys. So you never know when there will be a little hidden giveaway here and there. Monthly giveaways, I think I want to start doing that. Still kind of thinking about it. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button because more giveaways to come. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys again have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you for being here. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!